I'm Katie, and this is a super awesome smelling hair pomade that I'm going to show you how to make today. Hit that like button and let's get started. First, we get all of our solid ingredients mixed down together. In this microwave-safe mixing container, I'll be adding the candelilla wax, the BTMS 25, the stearic acid, the jojoba oil, and last but not least, the argan oil. Now we have all this in together. I'm gonna go pop this in the microwave and I'll be right back. And I'm back with everything melted down. Now, I'm gonna add in our shea butter and our tapioca starch. This is gonna help mattify the formula. I'm gonna give it a good stir. Now that I got this stirred up, I'm gonna transfer this into a large mixing bowl. We're gonna want to whip everything up without making a mess. Now that we got this in here, we're gonna add in our deionized water and blend it all up. I kept mixing until everything thickened up and came together. All that's left now is the preservative and the fragrance. Before we add either, we want to make sure that we're at a goal temperature around 110. Perfect. First up is our preservative. Because this is a water-based product, we absolutely need to preserve it. I'll be using Germaben 2 today. And pour that on in. And finally, the fragrance. I went with AFI's Lemonade, and I think it would be a perfect scent for the pomade, and it gives it a super cute name. Okay. Now that we have that all together, we're gonna give it a good stir with the stirring utensil. And now it's time to package. I went with these little jars because I think it'd be super easy to scoop the product from. Now I'm just gonna scoop the product into the jar. Now let's pop the lids on, and you're done. To use this pomade, scoop a small dollop with your fingers and work it into your dry hair and style as you please. Each 8-ounce jar costs us around $2 to fill. They can be sold wholesale for around $3 to $5 and retail for $6 to $10. Comment down below what you want to see us make next time in the AFI DIY Lab, and we'll have it coming your way in no time. As always, I'm Katie, and we're so glad you tuned in today. Subscribe if you haven't already for more projects like this one, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!